In this integral, we have integral of radical 4x squared minus 9 over x dx when x greater than or equal 3 over 2. Because we have this radical, we must remember the case in trigonometric substitution for x squared minus a squared. In this case, we take x equal a secant theta with theta in the interval from 0 to pi over 2 union pi over 2 to pi closed. Because we have x greater than or equal 3 over 2, so we'll take the first half of domain for theta. So I will take this one. But before that, I must take this 4 as a common factor. So I equal integral. When I take 4 as a common factor, radical of 4 is 2. So 2 radical x squared minus 9 over 4 over x dx. Now, if we look here, the case, it's the same. So this one is the same as the case which we know before. What a square? A square, it's 9 over 4. So a equal 3 over 2. So here I will take x as 3 over 2 secant theta, and theta in the first half of domain from 0 to pi over 2. If he give me here the domain x less than or equal negative 3 over 2, I will choose the next one from pi over 2 to pi. Now dx equal 3 over 2. Derivative of secant is secant theta tan theta d theta. Now my integral I equal this 2 I will take out of integral. Radical x squared, it's 3 over 2 secant theta square, so it's 9 over 4 secant square theta minus 9 over 4 over x. What about dx? dx, it's 3 over 2 secant theta tan theta d theta. Now, 2 out of integral. 9 over 4 inside the radical, I will take it outside as a common factor. So radical 9 over 4, it's 3 over 2. After that, secant square theta minus 1 stay inside the radical. Here I'm missing something. X, I must also replace it by the value of x. Sorry about that. X, it's 3 over 2 sec theta. And also here in this step, in this step also, x, it's 3 over 2 secant theta. So now I have a cancellating sec theta 3 over 2 with sec 3 over 2. What I have now? Now I have equal 3 over 2 times 2, it's a 3 outside, integral. Now secant square theta minus 1 as identity, if I write here secant square theta minus 1, it's tan square theta. So when I have radical for this and radical for this, the value here is tan theta. So here it's 2 times 3 over 2, it's 3, and radical secant square theta minus 1 is tan theta. So I have tan theta times tan theta d theta, which equals 3 tan square theta d theta. Now, how can I make or do this integral? This integral need from me identity, which is tan square theta, it's secant square theta minus 1 d theta. Now 3 outside, open bracket, integral secant square is tan, integral 1 is theta plus c. I must replace theta by the value of x, or change the term from theta to x. So I will back to the first the first substitution that I take, which is x equals 3 over 2 sec theta. I will bring here, so I have x equal 3 over 2 sec theta. From this one, I can say secant theta equal to x over 3. Also theta equal secant inverse 2x over 3. What about tan? Tan square theta is secant square theta minus 1. Now secant theta 2x over 3 with the square, it's 4x square over 9 minus 1, which is 4x square minus 9 over 9. So tan theta will be radical 4x square minus 9 over 3. Now I will back to my answer, which is 3 times tan theta, it's radical 4x square minus 9 over 3 minus theta. Theta is secant inverse 2x over 3 closed plus c. And this is the final result for this integral. I will minimize the page if anyone wants to take a photo for the full answer. Thank you.